The current global air pollution problem is not in an optimistic position. The concentrations of atmospheric particulate matter often exceed limits. The pollution of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide always stay high, and the vehicle emissions has been perpetually increasing. According to statistics, people spend 70% of time in their whole lives staying indoor, and they inhale 12 square meters of air each day in average, whereas urban residents spend around 70 to 90% of their time in the indoor environment every day. Thus, indoor air quality is extremely important to the health of humans. According to the report from the World Health Organization, WHO, near half of the population in the world are being affected by indoor air pollution, and 68% of all human diseases are related to air pollution. We are engulfed by air pollutants of all kinds. The organic pollutants, such as bacteria, virus, dust mites, pollen, and the hair and skin tissues from pets and humans, are small in size but can disperse widely and rapidly. They can easily cause allergic reactions such as sneeze, eye irritation, cough, asthma, etc. A more serious pollution is about furnitures and home improvement and construction materials which emit toxic gases such as formaldehyde, benzene, and so on to our daily life. The evaporation period of formaldehyde is 1 to 10 years or longer. Inhaling formaldehyde in the long term causes the reduce of children's memory ability, the reduce of vision ability, the increase of risk of developing leukemia, as well as menstrual disorders of female and congenital defects of fetus in babies. Using air purifier to clean indoor air is the best choice and an internationally recognized means to improve indoor air quality. Unique decoration to brighten up your home. It provides all-in-one air purifying solution using 7-layer filtering technique to safeguard your home by its every layer. The first layer, aluminum alloy dust capturing filter at the front, with multi-layer corrugated aluminum nets, low initial resistance, high dust capturing capacity, and is able to filter pollutants such as large dust particles, dander, pollen, suspended particles, etc. The second layer, low temperature catalyst filter, which can disintegrate various toxic gases. It absorbs and breaks down formaldehyde simultaneously under room temperature, and effectively breaks down formaldehyde and other toxic gases in the air and transforms them to carbon dioxide and water, which are harmless to humans. It kills bacteria and viruses at the same time without generating secondary pollution. The third layer, highly effective formaldehyde removal filter made of non-toxic nanocrystal, which is harmless to health. The catalytic process takes place naturally to break down various toxic gases, and it can also remain effective for a long period of time. The filter can be reused after exposing to strong sunlight. It principally aims to remove the toxic gases such as formaldehyde and benzene in the household. The fourth layer, antibacterial cotton filter made of non-woven textile with small fiber diameter imported from America. It has many features which includes antibacterial, moisture-proof, mold resistance, inhibiting bacteria growth, and so on. Dust particles are captured and blocked by the filter material in order to remove the suspended particles and microorganism in the air so as to assure the cleanliness of air being distributed. The fifth layer, HEPA filter made of high-temperature melt-blown fiber with hairline finish. It can filter out any tiny particulate which is larger than 20 nanometers in diameter, which includes mold and bacteria, dust, PM 2.5 pollutants, allergen, and some of the viruses. Up to a 99.9% filtering rate can be achieved. It possesses high antibacterial performance, low resistance, high filtering rate, and enduring performance. The sixth layer, ultraviolet sterilization, which makes use of the light with 365mm wavelength to kill bacteria. The DNA of bacteria are broken down and causes the interlinkage of nucleic acids and proteins being destroyed after absorbing ultraviolet light. The biological activities of nucleic acids are then terminated, which cause bacteria to die. The seventh layer, double core anions, which emit small diameter anions good for the health of human bodies. Anions not only remove dust, kill bacteria, and purify air efficiently. They also facilitate the synthesis in human bodies and the storage of vitamins, since it strengthens and activates the physiological activities of human bodies. Therefore, it is also called as the vitamin of air. From suspended pollutants of indoor air to detrimental toxic gases, it is able to absorb suspended pollutants, remove toxic and detrimental gases, kill bacteria, release anions to fresh air, and monitor every layer with strict standards.